Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player. Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 16th of August, 2018 at 9:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Plenty of news today to talk about. Maybe we should go to that before we go to the prices. China. We've seen now low-level ministerial people from China and the U.S. It's going to be with our Vice Minister of Commerce, our David Malpass, our Undersecretary for International Affairs, are meeting. Forget the titles. It's trade talks at a low level. And just the fact that they're resuming to talk is a positive for the markets, so the stocks bounced on that. The initial jobless claims down 2,000. That's important because people keep looking at jobless claims wondering if we're going to see them increase due to the tariffs. Haven't seen that yet. Housing starts up 0.9. They were expected to be up 8.3%. So not quite the move that they want there. Building permits up 1.5%. They were looking for 2.9. They're still not getting what they want, which means there's still not that home. The homes aren't being built, and that's very, very important as you look at it. The Philly Fed index down sharply. 11.9 from 22. That's what they were looking for, and 25.7 was the prior number. In fact, as you go through these numbers, you see a weakening in all of them except for the inventories index, which is going up. I don't know that that's good. Over the last 4 weeks, here's something that people aren't paying attention to. Oil exports fell to approximately 1.85 million barrels a day over the last 4 weeks. In June, they were averaging 2.4. Where do you think that change is coming? I'm willing to bet you, or thinking that a lot of it has to do with China as they were coming in. So just the fact that China is talking to the U.S. is news enough for the stock market to rally. The dollar down a little bit, a bounce in some of the currencies, but is it a trend change? It's very, very doubtful. On the energy market, you're looking at crude down a little bit while the Brent is up. And of course, you pay attention on a day like today to the markets impacted by China. Just the fact that there's a talk, beans up 24 cents, and that's off from the high where it was up 30 cents already. Take a look at hog prices. They're sharply higher. But this is the dog days of summer. It takes very little news to move the market. The fact that you were up this morning nearly 300 points in the Dow and down yesterday 300 at its low, a little more than that, gives you an idea of that volatility, and volatility is something you should pay close attention to. With that, you might want to take a look at a trader's guide to futures. If you're new to the futures and you're just starting to watch these videos, it's something you might want to pay good attention to. It's part and parcel of our investors book. We put a whole number of brochures together in this for you. So you look at our investors kit, new investors kit, when you go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. Sign up for it. This will all be in there. It's a download. It's not going to be a DVD. That's old technology. We have a lot better for you. Or you can always call our staff at 866-973-2077. They'll be happy to work with you. And if you're watching me on YouTube, you'll see an icon here. You can click that to go there as well. I'm Ira Epstein. Talk to you this afternoon in our end of the day other videos. You have a good day.